Introducing Fancy Houses, the December 2018 Stencil Club set, designed exclusively for members by Valerie Sjodin. Take us home, Valerie.
Hi there, Valerie Sjodin here, and I'm excited and honored to be StencilGirl Products Stencil Club designer for December 2018. I'm going to share with you a little bit about what inspired these stencils. And it was our trip last year that we got to take to Europe and to Amsterdam. So here's my photo book. In the back, took lots of great pictures. Of course, the canals, the houses, and the bikes are famous, as well as the tulips and windmills. Didn't see much of that, but what I did was I came home, went over my photos, made my photo album, and got excited because of all the architecture I saw. So I made these stencils. Here's the 9 by 12, these two houses, and I made a project. It also inspired possibilities. It's amazing how kids can inspire your artwork too. I was playing trains with my grandson. We love to build trains. And he took out the project that I was doing and used it as a train stop. So I thought that would be great to make building blocks. I haven't done it yet, but I can show you what I plan to do. And these were scraps from a project in our backyard. And so they fit onto here. And so you can take different sections and make blocks. Also, the 4 by 4 here fits well onto this little piece. So you have the 4 by 4, and then the 6 by 6 is the clock tower. This was inspired by the Rijksmuseum, where Rembrandt's work is. It was one of the highlights for me. And here's some of the pictures. No picture can do a Rembrandt justice. His light painting is phenomenal. And of course, I got to go to the Van Gogh Museum and cross 2 things off of my bucket list. Great. Okay. If you've followed me at all or know my work, you know I love to art journal, and it's art therapy plus a lot more for me. And I have renewed stencils as a major part of my art journaling these past few years. So here's an art journal page celebrating this with these 2 houses, and then these other stencils in the center. I didn't stencil the woman here and the girl. I did draw that and use collage, but the rest is built almost entirely with stencils and then outlining with pen. One of the things I love to do in my art journals. The project that we're going to do in Stencil Club from start to finish is this vertical accordion art journal, you see. And this was the backdrop for playing trains that we had so much fun with. And I even used it at Christmas time on the piano and then decorated in front of it with different little trees and things. Well, there's a lot of possibilities. In the video on the StencilGirl Club, I go over how to, well, I did say this, how to make this, but also how I build different types of building with the stencils for this month. I hope you'll join me. It's so fun. And I'm just really excited about all the possibilities. It just, like my grandfather used to say, it tastes like more. So I hope you'll get more and more creative inspiration and blessings as you create this month in December.
Thanks so much for watching. Remember, Stencil Club stencil sets ship on the 15th of the month, and members will be able to access the designer's exclusive project video and PDF. Need stencils? Just click the link below. Happy stenciling!